So I'm in my knife room right now, and this is where I do like a lot of my knives and sharpening and building fire steels and stuff like that. Making hammers, go figure. Um, Neck knives, fire steels, all kinds of stuff like that. But I've been wanting to do model cars again because I used to do them years ago. And this was a model car that I actually built probably, I don't know, 30 years ago or something like that. It was a long time ago. But when I lived in Missouri, I actually had this real car, and it was pretty cool. My dad, well, it wasn't pretty cool, but um, the story behind this model. My dad, I built this car, and he ended up selling it, which bummed me out. It was my car and kind of pissed me off. We got a big argument over it, whatever. But the model that I built of the real car, my son gave me this model when he moved back here to Minnesota, but he just recently moved back to California. But the windshield post got broken, so I got to super glue this back on. But it's a chopped 54 Chevy, and this was actually, like I said, this was a real car, so I got to put this back on there. It goes like that. And then, sorry about the shaky camera. Oh, come on. There it goes. And then I got the windshield that I cut out of plastic or whatever. Put that in the back seat. But this thing's super detailed. Simple detail though, nothing crazy fancy, you know. I did this, like I said, this is a 30-year-old model, and look how nice this thing's held up. I mean, it's just flawless. I put the skirts on it and the gangster white walls. I actually hand painted those with paintbrush. I remember painting those. And I wouldn't mind getting back into models again. They're fun to build, you know. Haven't done it in years though. But the engine compartment's super detailed. Turned out nice. Trying to get this in there as best I can. But this is I think it's the AMT 53 Chevy hardtop kit that I had, and it's you know, stuff is starting to get loose, like the dashes get loose and stuff like that. So I got to glue some stuff back on here, whatever. And I'm just gonna put it in the shop, throw it up on a shelf or something, just because it was, you know, one of my very first cars that I ever built in real life. And then plus I built the model car to match the car. So, and then it's funny because the motor that was in this car is actually in my Roadster now. But cool little model. All you guys out there that like building model cars, I figured I'd show this real quick. But hopefully I can find some good super glue to glue this. I just tried some super glue that she had, and all I did was glue my fingers together. It didn't work too good, so I'll get some of that gel super glue and try it that way. What do you guys prefer for model car super glue though? If you can leave a comment down below. Thanks.